Alright, y'all. Thanks for the one. We back, y'all. YouTube. Alright, y'all. Y'all see the top. Y'all see the bottom gasket in there down there. Y'all might be able to see it. Trust me, it's down there. Y'all see them blue threads. But it's the top one right here, so I'll try to get it in. Get y'all a little footage. Try to get y'all a little footage. Make sure I can get some footage, but I'll try to get y'all some. So I tried that way last time, so I'm trying to go back in here and slide in under here. Here we go. Slide in up under. Get that first one to go. Oh shit, got it again. Oh, now you down here messing with big homie. Oh, leave big homie alone, dog. Leave big homie alone down here. Alright, y'all, hold on. Alright, y'all, we trying to makeshift tool. Let's see if I can get this down. No, hold on. I wanted to do the other end. Let's see if I can twist it. No, they don't let me twist it. Let me see if I can do it like this. Caught up. Don't get caught up. Alright, y'all. Try to come in. Come in. And shut. Y'all got that? In there. We in there, y'all. I see it. I'll tighten this up and finish up for the day. We'll come back day 3. Alright, holla. Alright, y'all, we back. We're gonna put in our front gasket. Same way, point it towards which way the boat goes. Can't mess it up. Let me see, I went in here and did something like this. Something like this. Drop it off down in there. Try to get them on the boats. You know, I'm playing my favorite right now, y'all. I'm trying to get this top boat on. Balance everything well. There we go. I can't right off. Alright, y'all, we in there. 1, 2. Alright, so we got all our gaskets on. Let's try to sandwich it up. We got these up here. 1, 2. I got one more up here. This one right here too. So you seen that one, y'all. We got that one. We got that one. We got that one with our makeshift help tool. There's another one down there. So yeah, none of that taking the whole engine part off. Took a couple pieces off, the snorkel, the housing, the case, tensioner, and how you know. All right, y'all. Let me get back at this. I'll holler. All right, y'all. So we in a position to where we just want to push everything back in and get all the bolts to line back up. So just a little lifting and twisting. The same lifting and twisting we did when we took it a boost. That's all. You see when all the bolts get close back to their holes and this snorkel here. Alright, y'all, a little bit in there. Let's see. Yeah, almost there. We'll do a little prying. I can't find nowhere to pry up there. Right here. No, it's not the muscle with y'all. Back towards this way now. The east side right. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna try to pry up a little bit down here on something. He said that on something. Shouldn't be bad though. Low pressure it up. There we go. A little closer. See, close enough to slide this boat in. That boat, he in there. Yeah, y'all, that's all we doing. Rocking everything back in from how we had to pry on and pull back up. That's all it'll take. Yeah. When you close everything back up, everything will be. Then that's when you'll do your torque. Trying to get down here with T in. I think it's got thread. Alright, so I'm gonna pause it. That's where y'all tie y'all something on there on that gasket like this, then you'll never lose control of it. Alright, y'all, then we just go back in here with a little soft torque to see what's going in and what's not. Like this one here. He was in, but now he out. All right.